foods, easy foods that you can incorporate. And what I love about this tea, our Cultivate Fertility Detox we call it our Sunrise Detox Tea, is that it incorporates 4 of our superfoods. It incorporates ginger. So this is fresh ginger that I've cut the outside with. Fresh ginger looks like this in the store. If you can't get fresh ginger, Kara always reminds me to say this, that you can use powdered ginger as well. But if you start to look in your grocery stores for ginger, a lot of people actually do carry it. You just cut off the outside and you get these knobs of ginger. And just so you know, that this recipe you can find at cultivatefertility.com. There's no spaces. Cultivatefertility.com under the blog section, and you can go straight to see the Sunrise Detox Tea, and it tells you a little blurb about the herbs that we're using and why we use them. The recipes we're talking about today, you'll be able to find on the blog. So
sure, I do find that people are a little wary of using that fresh ginger. You know, if you're not a person who is used to making sauces and using it in cooking, and all of a sudden you're in the store looking at this knobby root, that is it too dry? What am I looking for when I buy it? It's kind of a thing to get over, you know? And so then you get into, do I have to peel it? Do I have to grate it? How do I do it? And I don't even peel it at all to do this recipe. I just slice that root. So you can just slice it, leave it all intact, and throw it in the pot. It does not need to be processed in some special way.
See, there you go. There's just, when you hang out with Kara and I for a long time here at Cultivate Fertility, you're going to see we do things a little bit differently, which is lovely if you get variation. But so this is, we're turning you into herbalists in your kitchen, and it's so easy to start to use medicines, these herbs as medicines for your fertility. And generally just for health and feeling good. I run a lot of detox programs with patients and clients that are not even fertility patients, and they love using this as well. So these are just superfoods that make you feel bright and alive. You don't have to just drink it in the morning, but you can drink it throughout the day. And you can drink it iced, because right now we're heading into summer, and you can drink this tea. It's quite warming, but you can drink it iced. The herbs will still have the warming effect in your body, where you get a lot of circulation to your reproductive organs and then a lot of circulation to your brain. So it really wakes you up and makes you feel super active. It's great for like the afternoon lull that you feel. These herbs will just kind of like pick you right up. They're also really awesome for your mood and to make you feel good. They're just very warming herbs that make you feel good. Okay, so the other thing, when you cook with me a lot, you're going to start to realize I'm not a great recipe follower. I'm kind of more of a feeler, but we do have the recipe in right proportions on the website.
It's a tried and true recipe, so people stay on it even after the pre-fertility detox or the pre-pregnancy detox. They like this tea and they just keep these ingredients around. There's obviously something really nice about it, because so many people say that to me, say, you know what, I just stayed on it and I don't drink my morning coffee or tea anymore. I drink this in the morning. And some people get their kids to drink it too, which is interesting. I think they just do a little bit of the cayenne maybe.
Well, what's so nice about it is just smells really delicious. So I'm going to start to get it going. You'll see on the recipe, what we're talking about is making an herbal decoction. Decoction means it's a way of drawing out medicine from harder herbs. So this is just plain cinnamon sticks. These are organic cinnamon sticks, ginger from the store that I cut up. Kara doesn't. You can slice it or not. So the more that you slice it, right, the more kind of like surface area is exposed. So anyway, just exciting. Literally stick this in a pot. It's that easy. And I'm kind of known for showing this once I've had water in it and spilling all over. So I'm going to try not to do that. But so I'm just going to fill up some water, put it on the pot, bring it to boil and simmer. That's what a decoction is. You bring it to boil and you simmer it for about 10 minutes. And then
with the cover on. You need the cover on.
These are 2 of the superfoods we want you to start going with now. Cinnamon, ginger, and then I'll show you the rest of the tea later comes lemon, one of our favorites at Cultivate Fertility, detox superfoods, and cayenne.